Today we are going to share the out-of-box experience of Prouda DVD player 906. We open the box. What's inside the box? Let's take everything out, okay? Okay, so first of all, there's a manual. There's also a remote control. A battery must be installed in this remote control before use. Battery 7, but we don't bring it, therefore you need to purchase locally. Then there is a charging head. This charging head is suitable for 110 to 240 volts power supply. This end is connected to our machine. So let's turn on the machine now. We open this cabin before use. There's this gem in the cabin. This is to protect the laser head. Therefore, it must be removed before use, after taking it off. Okay? Then we plug this power supply at this end here. Just plug this into the power supply at your home.